Hi everyone, it's Julie here from Sublime Jewels. Thanks for joining me. I did a little experiment and wondered what it'd be like if you should do a bloom on one of the tiny teardrop wooden blanks. Generally I do a swipe, but I thought I'd do a bloom. So this is one that I did earlier, and I just thought I'd perhaps take you through the process and do the other pair. Okay, so the other one that I'll be doing, obviously to match the first one that I showed you, just going to do a simple bloom technique. Just popping some pillow paint down as I would generally when I'm doing a bloom. You don't need too much, just enough on there for the paint to be able to move. There won't be a lot of spin action going on. We really just want this on there so that we've got something for our paints to kind of glide on when we put our cell activator on top, and then blow this out. So obviously use whatever paints you want. I've just got a couple here. So I'd try some pinks. This one's actually a tube paint. I haven't written down what company this is actually from. It's just called Lipstick. And the other one that I'm using is a Pearlex pink gold. Gorgeous shimmer on this one. And you can see I'm not really taking a lot of care about how I'm popping this down. It really doesn't matter. I just want to torch off any bubbles there. The cell activator that I'm going to be using today is Tri-Art Titanium White mixed with Australian Floetrol. So I'm going to put some of that down, just in the centre there. And then we'll blow this one out and see what we get. Nice cells coming off the edge there, and we just want to give that a minute to work, for those cells to happen. And I will just scrape off that excess paint. It's not necessary, but I just like to do it. I did spin the other one that I did, but I don't actually think it made a lot of difference to the end result, just because there's not a lot of paint on there to spin off. So we're waiting for that cell activator to finish doing its job, but I'll give it a little help along with the straw. So we're just pushing that cell activator down through the paints, just to allow any of those cells to come up. I might just give a bit of help along just with a heat gun. Just don't want to put too much heat on it because you don't want to form a skin over the top. But it does actually just kind of help forming those cells to come up. And they will continue. But just for the purposes of the demonstration, I'm just going to do a little bit of modification here, just to pretty it up a little bit. You don't have to, it's entirely up to you what you want to do, but I think it just gives it that sort of little bit extra kind of bling. And beauty, if you like. But as I said, it's entirely optional and not necessary for you to get the desired look. Let's have a look. There's probably need to do just a little bit more in the center here. As I said, I might get some more cells come up, but so this one's not got quite as many patterns on it as the other one, but as I said, these cells will still continue to develop as I leave it. But overall, I'm not unhappy with that. So I'll bring that one up for you. And as you can see, there's a bloom and a small wood blank earring. So hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks again for watching.